Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to spend a little time talking about the multi-purpose Stihl MM55 mini cultivator. Let's check it out right after this. So let's take a little time, we'll do a nice little walk around with the tiller, talk about some of the features I like about it, and then we will go out and do a little digging. So when I was looking for a mini cultivator, obviously there's different brands out there you can get between Mantis, your local off-brand you can find at Menards or Lowe's. Couple of things, the reason why I really wanted one is I wanted something that was light, something easy that my wife could maneuver around, and was easy to start. And on top of that too, having enough power and portability was important. This bad boy folds right up and can go in the back of your truck. The wheel kit came on this one. It sounds like it is an option on others. My favorite feature of this is how easy it is to tear down and put in the back of your pickup truck to go somewhere. So let me take a minute and show you how easy it is to fold this down and transport somewhere, whether it be the back of your car, the back of your truck, back of your van. Pretty quick and simple. Not here, you loosen it up all the way. These arms will come out, and you just pull it down flat like this. Locks into the handle here. You can see there's a little spots with lock into. Tighten it down. Handles out of the way. For those of you who have wheel kits, you have to do this as well. Pick it up, fold her back, tighten her down. She's ready to go. They do a really good job of balancing it. You can pick her up right here by the front, and you're good to go. Walk right around. Nice and handy. On the back here, there's a little spot. You're supposed to be able to put a hook on the wall and hang this. I mean, it'd be a pretty hefty hook, but it would do it. Seems to do a pretty good job there. Collapsing down quickly and efficiently. You need to get a spec on this, what this weighs. It's not horrible, but it's a definitely manageable situation. Going backwards here, loosen up the knob, push down. Tighten her in place. Same way up here, loosen the knob. Pull the handles back. Lock her in place. And you're ready to tilt. I like using the wheel kit quite a bit. Makes life a lot easier. To adjust the wheels the same way, you have your graduated marks. So you loosen it up and take it to the height you want it at. For different height people, so you plan what you're doing. Wanted to point a couple other features out to you here on this. On top here, you've got the spark plug to change out if you need to. As I've probably alluded to before, really all Stihl did was take a power head from one of their units they use either for the the trimmer or the blower pack or whatever they end up using it on, and they fasten it onto a chassis to a transmission that drives whatever power attachments on the end here. In this case right now I have the tines on, and all you have to do to remove these is you pull this pin out and these tines pull off, and you can put whatever you want on the end there for the attachments. I do have a power sweep attachment for this, which I will cover in another video and show you how this all comes apart, and you rotate this transmission here around 180 degrees, and then you use that and push the rocks and such out of your yard, or walnuts, whatever you want to do. People also have used it for snow removal and such like that, but we'll cover that in another video here. On top here you have the priming bulb, and then you have your choke and choke off, your fuel fill, and then up on the top here you've got your trigger, and then your trigger lock on the back side. Then here you've got the stop, on, and start. And when you go to start this, you push the trigger down and you lock this back into start. So basically it puts it in the choke. And then I'll show you here when we get ready to till with it how easy it is to start it. On a nice hot day like today, it starts pretty easily. And all you do is you squeeze the trigger and it just goes to run instead of on start. pretty nice built little unit. Like I said, the handle clips down here into some clips so you can transport easily. And then I said the wheel here, the wheel kit too is usually an add-on. Mine came with it on it, didn't have to add it to it. So I'm guessing the dealer sets that as a standard for them on their stuff. So, and this guard is different too. This is what came with the power sweep attachment. Basically 2 bigger pieces clip onto here to cover the entire thing for safety. So the one that comes standard on this is a little bit shorter, so it's not so cumbersome. I haven't had a problem with it so far, so we'll have to see how that all goes. But that's just the general gist of it here. It does have the slip clutch in here, so you know it can, when it's idling, it's not turning the tines and such. Other than that, it seems to be well built. Like I said, it's made out of aluminum, and looks like cast pieces here, cast aluminum, and then the rubber wheels and such. They're solid, but they seem to be pretty good quality, high quality product here. So nothing you can expect any different from a Stihl product. So let's do a little bit of testing with it here and give you guys something to go over. So far, I thoroughly enjoyed it. I put a lot of hours into it and use it to till flower beds, pick up some sod, and like I said, it's really light, so it makes it easy to get around with. Well, before we get too far here, let's go ahead and add some fuel to it. I'm using the 89 unleaded, so here in Iowa, that means no ethanol. The Stihl 2-cycle mixture. Go ahead and fill her up here. Yep, a little too much. All right. Need to burn off some grass anyway. There's some weeds over here. All right, to get her started, now we got her filled up. Go ahead and set her over here to full choke. You'll see right here, I click the priming bolt a few times, 3 times. And over here, you push to start, lock the trigger back. Go down here and give her a couple pulls. All right, you fire it off once, move her up to choke off. Now we're ready to do some tilling. This thing so nice you can get right down tight rows with it. Don't have to worry about hitting your plants. Just take a peek here how well she does. thanks for watching the channel today. I hope this gives you some information to arm yourself to make some more educated decisions. Really, in the end, I'm just trying to convey some information of what I know, and maybe in the end, it'll help you in your purchasing decision, and then give you some better tools to arm yourself with when you go to a dealer. Until next time, remember to get your cats and dogs spayed or neutered. Wait, that's the wrong channel. We'll see ya!